Hello everybody, welcome to Chemistry Concept, and today we'll be discussing about the nitrogen family of the p block elements. So first, what's the nitrogen family elements? In nitrogen family we having nitrogen, phosphorus, SAS, Sp and bismuth. These are the nitrogen family elements. Or these are also known as nitrogens. This group is known as nitrogens. So if we are going to see the acidic strength of trioxide, so nitrogen N2O3 is most acidic as compared to directly proportional to the electronegativity. Or directly proportional to the number of oxygen atom. So whenever we having different elements, we'll see the electronegativity. When it is the same element, we'll see the number of oxygen atom. So this is the acidity strength and trends in this nitrogen family. With same pentaoxide also the trend will be similar. If we are going for the suppose within a nitrogen family, if you are seeing the acidic order, so suppose we having N2O, NO, N2O3, N2O5. So as I told you, when the elements are same, then just see the number of oxygen. More the number of oxygen, the compound will be more acidic. So this compound having 5 oxygen, 3, 1 and 1, this oxygen is shared between 2 nitrogen. That's right, you can see this is the last acidic. This is the acidic trend. And now discuss about the nitrogen. So first we'll take this N2O, dinitrogen monoxide. This is also known as laughing gas, and the structure of this laughing gas is like this. This nitrogen is sp hybridized, and this is colorless gas, and this is diamagnetic in nature, and this can be prepared by ammonium nitrate dissociate in the N2O and H2O. And next we will talk about NO, nitrogen monoxide, or it is also known as nitric oxide. It can be prepared by reacting ammonia in presence of oxygen, in presence of platinum at high temperature. Will get nitric oxide and water. This is the also a colorless gas, and this is paramagnetic, since their total number of electron is 15. Since it is a odd, so it is a paramagnetic in nature. Now we having NO2 in list. So next is NO2. The structure of NO2 is like, and this nitrogen having one lone electron. This bond angle is 132 degree, and this is because of this bond pair repulsion is prominent here, and that's why this bond angle is more than this normal triangular structure angular. So this can be prepared from the lead nitrate dissociate to give PbO plus NO2 and oxygen. This is also known as nitrogen dioxide. This is a brown gas. This very very reactive and paramagnetic and polar also. This react with water to give nitric and nitrous acid. A mixture of nitric and nitrous acid can be getting from the nitrogen dioxide. Since this nitrogen dioxide is not that much stable, so now we'll study about this N2O3. The structure of N2O3 is like you may be surprised that how I can make this structure so fast. So this is nothing than experience. Okay, so there are some tricks behind this also, so to learn this you have to follow my videos, lectures. This is dinitrogen trioxide. It can be manufactured by reacting this NO and NO2 in presence of low temperature will get N2O3, and at room temperature will get back again. So this is an equilibrium. There one more structure of this dinitrogen trioxide, and that is really not stable that much. So this is the main structure of this nitrogen dioxide, and this is dark blue liquid. And this is unstable in gas phase. Next we have N2O4. So to write the structure of N2O4, first write this N2, then just put oxygen as available and see the valency and maintain it. So this is the N2O4. It can be prepared from the NO2 at very low temperature. We'll get N2O4. Colorless and exist in the equilibrium in the both gas and liquid state. And N2O4 is not that much stable in solid state. It is nearly unstable. So next we having N2O5. These are the oxides of nitrogen. Dinitrogen pentaoxide can be prepared from the nitric acid in presence of P2O5. P2O5 is a dehydrating agent, so it will remove the water molecules from here and we will get N2O5. And the structure of this N2O5 is similar to that structure of N2O4, but just oxygen, one more oxygen is there in between two nitrogen. And this is the structure of dinitrogen pentaoxide and exists in solid state. And this is very very stable compound of the oxides. And we having the acids of nitrogen like HNO3, HNO2, HNO. This is nitric acid, nitrous acid, and hyponitrous acid. These are the nitric acids and the acids of nitrogen. This nitric acid can be prepared by reacting KNO3 and H2SO4. We'll get HNO3 plus KHSO4. And this HNO3 is very very corrosive also and very very high oxidizing. This is very strong oxidizing agent. And this acquires yellow color in presence of sunlight because HNO3 in presence of sunlight decompose to NO2, water and oxygen, and because of this only we get it in yellow color. So these are the chemical and physical properties of the nitrogen and the nitrogen family in details. So if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. Thank you for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe us